I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a update on my eczema. If you're new to my channel, I do have a video on where I was explaining how I had eczema and it ate out the back of my hair and the back of my neck. I think they call it the nape of your neck. I'll insert all the dates and all that stuff because honestly right now with my pregnancy brain, I'm not going to remember the exact dates. But basically I had eczema and it really ate out the back of my hair. I meant like a whole spot in the back of my hair went completely bald. So I'm just doing an update video to show you the length and how that area is doing. Did the hair grow back or did it not? So I'm going to be also sharing with you guys what I've been doing and what I've been using. About a year and a half ago, or about a year, I was in Jamaica, and while I was out there, it was like really hot, and I would itch. I would get like, that's when my eczema would act up the most, whenever it's like really hot and the weather's just dry. So I guess I was like itching the back of my neck a lot, and at the same time as I was itching it, the hair in that area was just getting like really thin. It was really dry and flaky, but it's in the back, so I wasn't really paying too much attention to it. So I didn't know like that my hair, as I was itching it, I guess, as much, I was actually ripping the hair out of my scalp. Like or if I was ripping it out, the hair was falling out my scalp, but like I didn't know. I think I finally noticed when Ziggy came to me and said, "What happened to the back of your hair? Like, why does it look like your hair is falling out?" That's when I officially realized, like, holy crap, the eczema is literally eating out my scalp, which was so weird because it never happened before. So it really sucked, and I'm gonna insert pictures and clips and all that stuff just to show you guys how bad it was, because it was really bad. And not only that, it was like literally coming down to like the back of my neck. So it was like the top of the top portion of my back, that it was getting like dry and flaky is was there as well. So for my eczema in my hair, and this is the only oil that I use specifically back hair, and just because I really want to put this oil to the test as well. So specifically I was using the Jamaican black castor oil. This is the only oil that I was using in the back of my hair, like I said. You guys see it? Yeah. So specifically this is like the only oil that I was using in the back of my hair. This is, I think, my 4th bottle. I think this is actually my 4th bottle, and I just got this one's almost done, and I just got 2 more from them. My sister uses it because she had postpartum breakage or shedding or something like that, so I told her to try it, so she's also using it as well. But this is the only oil that I've been using in the back of my hair. And so we always hear about the great rave about Jamaican black castor oil being a great oil for your hair, especially with hair growth. And when I tell you guys I literally put this oil to the test, I mean I literally put it to the test, because I literally lost my hair in the back of my head. And I have pictures and everything to prove it, that Jamaican black castor oil really does what it says it does. So with Jamaican black castor oil, it actually helps with hair growth, it helps to make your hair strong, it helps to add shine and moisture to your hair. And this one is 100% natural. It's like literally straight from Yard, straight from Jamaica, and there's no salt added as well. I literally live by this oil. The smell is not the greatest. But you can just tell how, like, that's just to prove how natural this oil is, because it literally smells like how the castor is supposed to smell. It's really thick as well. When I use it, I make sure I'm not using too much, just because it's really thick and I don't want to clog the pores in my hair. Because if you clog the pores in your hair, it's just like, how is it supposed to do what it wants to do? But I'm gonna show you guys how thick it is. So it's really rich, and it's really dark, and this is how castor oil is supposed to look. It's really thick. When I'm using this oil, I'm making sure that I'm only using a little bit, just because it is thick. Jamaican black castor oil is also a antibacterial and antifungal. It is a great oil to use if you do have itchy or flaky scalp, which is a reason why I went with it, because with the eczema you do get like that itchy flaky flakiness. So that's one reason why I went with that. I'll tell you some ways of how I use the oil. So if I'm doing my deep condition and I know I need like that extra moisture, especially like during the winter time because it's cold where I am, I definitely want to make sure that my hair is moisturized at all time. What I would do is I would add the Jamaican black castor oil to my deep conditioner, just mix it and just apply it to my hair, and then I'll let it sit for a little. And once I rinse it out, it's almost like I need no conditioner to how moisturized and the shine and definition that's added to my hair. Another way that I use it is I use it as a hot oil. So hot oil treatments are also good for your hair. All I do is have like a little teacup with some warm water, and I'll just put the bottle in there, and or whatever like little container that I'm using with the oil, let it warm up, and then I'll just take it out, and I'll use like the little dropper that I have. I'll use like this little dropper that I have, or I'll just use my fingers and kind of just add it to my scalp, and I'll just like massage it, because you know, massaging your scalp does help to promote hair growth as well. So that's all I would do. So I'll just apply it to my scalp and I'll just cover it and leave it for a little. And then with the back of my nape, or the back of my neck specifically, fingers, or I just use my fingers or a little dropper, I just put it in the specific area, my trouble areas, and I just put it in, and I just give it a nice little massage for about 5 minutes, and I just leave it, and that's it. If I'm feeling that my scalp needs like some extra moisture, or I just need to oil my scalp because it's itchy, or I just feel like I just need to oil my scalp because I love oiling my scalp, that is like a #1 thing in my curly hair routine, I would just take the dropper and just add it to my scalp all over, or as much as I can get it, and I just give myself a nice little massage. So this is the current length of when my hair fell out. This is how much has grown. And I mean, I haven't really been like super consistent with applying the oil to my hair, but I mean, this is a lot of growth compared to how like my hair falling out, which is not bad. I'm not sure how much this is, but it has grown so much. I have it on both sides. Like the length is real. This is how the back of my hair is looking. So yeah, that is all that I basically do. It's really simple. I find that when you're doing your routines to your hair, you really want to make it as simple as possible. Well, in my opinion, that's just what has been working for me. I mean, as you guys can see, my hair has definitely grown. Definitely has grown a lot. And like I said, this is the oil that I've been using specifically on my scalp. 1, because it's the only oil that I have, and 2, because I've just seen a lot of great improvements when I'm using it, and like the whole hair growth process. So I definitely give this product a thumbs up. I've actually had people see me post that I use this, and they'll comment and message me on Instagram and tell me that they started using it and they do see a difference. If you guys are interested in this specific black castor oil, you can definitely check out my description box below, and I'll leave like their Instagram and all their information down below. If you're wondering if this would work for you, they do have a smaller bottle that's probably like about this big that you can buy and try on your own just to see if it works. Nothing tried, nothing done. But yeah, I highly recommend you getting the like an actual Jamaican black castor oil. There is a lot of Jamaican black castor oils out there, and I've tried them, and like they can't even compare to this. And I'm not just saying that, I just feel like they just can't compare to this. And I love the fact that this is just pure, and it's from Jamaica, and it's just 100% natural down to the smell. This was just a quick video giving you guys like a quick update on my whole eczema story and how my hair is growing. I hope the pictures were helpful, because I know I've been documenting my whole eczema journey, and I thought like that's the only way I can really show you guys how amazing this Jamaican black castor oil is, and how my eczema journey has been going. So I mean, even sometimes I look at the pictures, I'm just like, holy, like I've come a long way. And like me documenting from when my hair was falling out and seeing how much it has grown really shows me that what I was doing and what I was using really helped. So I hope the pictures helped you guys as well, and I hope this video was kind of helpful. I hope I didn't ramble on too much, but thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Deuces.